Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries, is one of the richest people in India and the world. Here's a brief overview of how he built his wealth. Family business : Mukesh Ambani inherited the Reliance Industries conglomerate from his father, Dhirubhai Ambani, who founded the company in 1966. Diversification : Mukesh Ambani expanded Reliance Industries into various sectors, including petrochemicals, refining and petrochemicals, oil and gas exploration, telecommunications, geo-retail, media. Strategic partnerships: Ambani formed partnerships with global companies like BP, oil and gas, ExxonMobil, petrochemicals, Facebook and Google. Geo Innovative Ventures: He invested in innovative projects such as Jio's 4G network, which disrupted India's telecom industry. Reliance Retail's expansion into e-commerce. Visionary leadership: Ambani's leadership and vision have been instrumental in driving Reliance Industries' growth and success. Wealth creation: Under Ambani's leadership, Reliance Industries' market value has grown exponentially, making him one of the richest people in the world. Some key statistics: net worth, over $80 billion. Reliance Industries' market capitalization, over $200 billion. Jio's subscriber base, over 400 million users. Mukesh Ambani's success can be attributed to his strategic thinking, innovative approach, and ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Here are some additional factors that contributed to Mukesh Ambani's wealth. Vertical integration: Reliance Industries has a diversified portfolio, but Ambani has also focused on vertical integration, controlling various stages of production and supply chains. Economies of scale: By expanding Reliance Industries' operations and investing in large-scale projects, Ambani has achieved economies of scale, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Government support: Reliance Industries has benefited from government policies and incentives, particularly in the telecom and petrochemical sectors. Risk management: Ambani has demonstrated an ability to manage risk, navigating complex regulatory environments and market fluctuations. Family support: His family, including his wife Neeta Ambani and children, have been involved in various aspects of the business, providing a strong support system. Philanthropy: Ambani has also invested in philanthropic efforts, particularly in education and healthcare, which has contributed to his reputation and legacy. Some notable achievements: Reliance Industries is India's largest private sector company by revenue and profit. Jio has disrupted the Indian telecom industry, offering affordable data and voice services. Reliance Retail is India's largest retailer, with a strong presence in e-commerce. Mukesh Ambani's success story is a testament to his vision, leadership, and strategic thinking, which have transformed Reliance Industries into a global conglomerate.